Guys, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. If you're stumbling on my channel for the very first time, this is Change Your Look, okay? And on today's video, I'll be showing you how I make my boss braid. And today we're going to be using the French coils extension, the coily extension. That's what we're going to use. As you can see from the video, that's the French coils extension, and it's trending right now. So we're going to dive into the video, but before we do so, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please support me by hitting the subscribe button, press on your notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video. So this is my client's hair. Her hair is very beautiful and long. I decided to start this tutorial from halfway of the braid because I don't want to post too much long video for you guys, because I notice whenever I post long videos you guys don't really watch it. So I'm trying to make sure I don't post too long videos for you guys. Yeah, so watching this video will give you an idea on how to use the French coils extension, and also you know that the extension is a little bit like it's stretchy, it draws kind of, so if you don't grip very well it might not hold. You might need to unravel it several times to be able to like add a little tightness to the hair for it to like stay together from the roots. So that's one thing you need to know about the French coils extension. So that's why they said if you are not a pro, you cannot use the French coils extension. So if you're a pro braider, you already have an idea on how to, and I hope these tips helps one or two persons. So guys, also if you want to book braiding session from us, I've had a lot of subscribers who wants to book and they don't know how to book. All you need to do is to go to our Instagram page, Change Your Look UK, all in one word, and you can book for your session on Instagram. Whatever date you want to book, just send us a DM and then we'll respond to you if the date is available or not. That's if you're based in Manchester anyway. But this French coils braid came out really beautiful. It was really gorgeous and my client loved it. Immediately she looked at the mirror, she was just screaming, my hair is so beautiful, my hair is so beautiful. And I was so happy to hear that. Yeah, because I was actually making her hair for the very first time and she booked me from Instagram as well. So, and also I sell the extensions as well. So if you want to get the extension or you want to make this kind of braid, you don't need to go look for how to get the extension. I already have it, so I can sell to you. Or if you just want to buy the extension, you can also DM me and I will sell the extension to you as well. So before I keep talking and talking, let me just let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. And also please don't leave without dropping a comment. Let me know, do you like the braid? Have you seen the French coils braid extension before? Do you like it? How do you like it? Would you want to book a session with us via Instagram? Please drop a comment. Let me know what you think about what we're doing here. Thank you so much guys for watching. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.